Good morning and welcome back to Lao series. So today is late 2 in Luang Prabang. Yesterday evening I reached Luang Prabang and checked into a hotel which is close to the city attractions. And morning I came out for a walk. Yesterday evening also I walked in the same neighborhood. This is the same route which we took yesterday evening towards the night market. So morning it's a different vibe. You can see typical sandwiches and flowers and all. Night market, it got a deserted look in the morning. Hardly any activities inside that night food street. So then I thought of just visiting the local morning market. There is a famous morning market happening very close to the night food street. So a whole lot of foreigners are there, a lot of vans bringing the tourists to this particular area. This is a small street where they put temporary stalls in the morning. So morning from 7:38 to around 9-10 o'clock only this market is functional. And a lot of stuff comes from the neighborhood to the morning market. Some of the jungle products, some leaves, vegetables, fruits, some local ingredients for cooking. All lot of stuff is there, fruits.
This is jackfruit. Yeah.
This is the temple close to the morning market. Even at the entrance of this temple also you can see people are busy selling the flowers, all the typical leafy vegetables, spinach, etc. All sort of food items are available here. You can see a lot of meat stuff, pork, beef, sausage, chicken. Some of the stalls are making breakfast ready with the grills and frying some stuff. This looks like a typical South Indian idli, or looks like a mini uttappam here. So all fried meat varieties. And all sort of stuff is available there in the morning market. Some handicrafts and typically your groceries, juice. After walking for almost 2 kilometers, I was feeling a bit thirsty. Thought of having a nice dragon fruit juice, sufficient to quench my thirst for time being.
35,000 kip, approximately $1.5. Fish, chicken, pork, the meat market, pork fat, fruits.
Something is getting fried. Looks like some sandwich stuff. They make a local sandwich out of that bread, or looks like a long bread. Exotic vegetables, exotic roots, a lot of stuff is available here. And even dried fish is there. I think the fish from Mekong River, they dry it and sell it here. This is river weed, something like a seaweed. That's also one sort of item here. A couple of shops I could see this river weed neatly dried and packed. So price is just about $1.5 types. So it was a nice experience getting exposed to a lot of local stuff, a lot of varieties of food item. This is full of fish. This stall is full of fish. I think fried fish. and some of the item I think looks like some honey. Maybe they are collected from the nearby jungles. Then I came back to the hotel and had my breakfast because breakfast was ready by around 8:30. So I came back and had a nice breakfast. Then started towards the waterfall. Today's second plan is to visit the most visited waterfall in Luang Prabang, which is around 30 kilometers from the city. Approximately, it's a 1 hour ride. And morning itself, I thought of going towards that side because getting too crowded. So that by lunchtime I can come back that side. Yeah, let's see how we progress. Hello. Do you have any lock? Cycle lock, cable lock? Lock. So once you cross the city limits, hardly any traffic, relatively smooth and better roads towards the waterfall. Then I just stopped here for 5 minutes. On the side of the road I could see a nice village cafe. It's a kind of some ecotourism kind of stuff. Advantages of taking a bike is that I can go as per my plan at any time. I don't have to depend on this transport options there. Most of the tourists coming here in a group, they hire the tuk-tuk. These tuk-tuks are available from Luang Prabang to the Kuangsi waterfall. So many of these tourists, people coming solo or a couple kind of tourists normally hire a scooter and come. That's a economical option. Otherwise, these tuk-tuks are there, like kind of $20 kind of thing. You can hire a tuk-tuk. They will take you to the waterfall and wait there till the time you come back and drop you back in the city. So around $20 is okay. I mean, 8 to 10 people can easily go in a tuk-tuk. So I reached at the waterfall around I think around 9, between 9:30 and 10. I think I reached here, parked the vehicle, and I could see a lot of two-wheelers were parked. Somebody from Malaysia and someone from Japan and all were there. So then I walked towards the ticket counter. A lot of visitors, I think cars are there, bikes are there. This is the typical tuk-tuk I was referring to. I think it is waiting for people to take them back. Normally this waterfall is open between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. every day, so you can plan your visit accordingly. And normal entry ticket is around 60,000 kip. Sabaidi. Thank you. So after getting the ticket, there's a small electric taxi. So this shuttle service, basically this is an electric shuttle service that will take you from the ticket counter, ticket office to entrance of this waterfall. It's around 1.5 kilometers, I think. That is part of the ticket, so you can sit comfortably and they will take you to the entrance. So in this particular route there is also a butterfly park before getting into the Kuangsi waterfall entrance. So that's a separate ticket. While coming back you can probably stop there and check the butterfly park. So morning itself a lot of tourists were coming. So what I did is after getting down, I had a coffee from the small eatery nearby and also kept my helmet there. It will be a pain carrying my helmet since it had the camera mount and Bluetooth. I didn't want to leave it on the bike. So I just asked the coffee shop lady to keep it there. So she agreed. Then I went to the entrance of this waterfall. Just after the entrance of this Kuanshi Park, there is a bear shelter. This is run by an NGO called Free the Bear. Basically, it's an NGO from Australia. One lady called Mary started this in the 1990s, and now they operate in Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, and some of the other countries. So they work in this field of rehabilitating captive bears kept illegally for traditional medicines. And they were also instrumental in stopping this practice of dancing bear that was a common practice in India some time back. So that activity is also completely stopped with their effort. So wild bear farming is a illegal activity, predominant mostly in Laos, Cambodia, and Vietnam, and of course in China. Wild bear, sometimes called battery bear, they are bears kept in captivity to harvest the bile. Basically, it's a digestive fluid produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. This is used by some traditional Asian medicines, so it's a sought after item in especially in Southeast Asian countries. It is estimated that more than 10,000 bears are farmed for their bile, and this activity is predominant in China, South Korea, Laos, Vietnam, and Myanmar also. And demand for bile has been found in those nations as well as in some others such as Malaysia and Japan. So a lot of awareness is needed to curtail the demand for bile, then only ultimately this captive bears can be freed. That is what is Free the Bear stands for, and they do activities to create awareness about this bile farming and discourage it. So I spent around 10-15 minutes there, and then again started walking towards the waterfall. In the dry season, actually the watercolor is very attractive. The watercolor is so charming. It's a electric blue, very clear and inviting. Only during monsoon season it will be a bit muddy because of the sediments and mud. In monsoon it will be kind of brownish color. So both seasons are equally impressive, but in contrasting color schemes. Beautiful hiking trail is there parallel to this waterfall. So actually you can circumvent this waterfall while going up. I sort of taking the trail and going all the way up, and through the other side you can climb down. Stairs are there. So one way you can hike through the natural jungle surroundings, and after checking the waterfall from the top, you can come down through the stairs. Nice view all across. Here you have a connecting bridge, I think. So no need to go back. You can cross the bridge and see the view. Again there is a trekking trail going up. Okay, well, let's see. To the top of the waterfall. Hello.
Hello.
This good or this good? This. They were saying the other one is too steep. This is slightly longer, but seems to be less steep. The last bit was steep climb, so hardly it will take 10-15 minutes to reach on the top of the waterfall.
Why? I'm sorry.
It's okay, you can go.
Thank you. You're almost there.
Okay.
The flat surface, I think, finally. I think this is the highest point of the
So Kuang Si waterfall is the number one attraction in Luang Prabang.
down.
That is what all these tourist guidebooks are saying. This is the topmost attraction in not only in Luang Prabang, I think entire Laos. That is the most visited place, it seems. So this Kuang Si Falls is a three-tier waterfall. The second tier is wide and many layered shelf stretching out across the jungle. So it's nice to see the trees, some under the water, some half of the trees under the water. And this shallow area of this waterfall is ideally for swimming. You could see a lot of youngsters enjoying a nice dip there. Since I didn't carry anything suitable for swimming, I didn't venture into the water. So I spent some time there and enjoyed the surrounding. It's a fully lush green surrounding. Though tourists come all around the year, the dry season is between November and April, and most of the tourists you will find Kuang Si Falls also during this dry season. Visiting in the dry season is solid choice because you increase your chance of sunshine, and that make it much more likely you will be able to swim in the pools. Unlike the monsoon season, sometimes swimming is prohibited. The water will be clear and also vibrant blue color.
It's in different layer by layer.
There is a viewpoint. You can go up to the viewpoint. Again, that is $1.50 you have to pay to get a nice view from the top. So I went there and watched it for some time.
30,000 kip entry fee for this view. Approximately what, 1.3 RMB or something. Sorry, 1.3 USD.
And this is called the View Cafe. On top this cafe is there, and next to that is the zip line. You can do zip line activity also here. Otherwise you can sit and enjoy some time, a nice view of this surrounding area from this upper deck.
Nice walk to the other side of the viewpoint. This is the view. So from here there is a zip line, charges about 25 USD. 25 USD is the charge. So ditching that and going back to Luang Prabang now. It's a nice cafe here with the beer, coffee, noodles. Let's move now. So it was a one-way hiking, one-way using the steps going down.
So I started climbing down towards the entrance. So this is the staircase which they made to the top. I used that to climb down. 500 plus steps are there to get down. Again, here also the surroundings are very beautiful. You feel like hiking through a jungle trail.
So this is the end of the stairs.
This is the Guangxi Falls main waterfall. It's around 60 meters high, approximately 200 feet. It looks like a typical curtain down the rocky face of the falls. So there are a few bridges and viewing platforms to enjoy the beauty of this waterfall. So you can see tourists are standing on these bridges and platforms to get a nice view and click pictures. So I sat there for some time, completely absorbing the charm and the beauty of Guangxi Falls. I could see a few youngsters enjoying the waterfall completely, climbing onto a small tree and jumping to this shallow pool there. So they are all having a lot of fun. One more time seeing the beauty of Guangxi from the lower part of this waterfall. So it was a solid 2.5 to 3 hours inside this waterfall area. I reached the entrance around 12:30 and decided to have my lunch there. And this is the entrance area. While coming back, it was a bit more crowded. Second wave of tourists, I think, reached for the afternoon kind of visit. So I went to the shop where I kept my helmet and ordered some lunch there. Basically a simple lunch of rice with some pork. So today's afternoon activities we'll try to make into another episode. That's it for now. Let us catch up with the afternoon scene in the next episode. Thank you. Thank you for watching.